YouTube, Joseph Homer here. Welcome back to part 2 on the Hemi Challenger right behind me, and today we're going to be installing a set of Monroe Quick Struts in the front end. We've got a clunk in the driver's side strut. It's been replaced once, but apparently it's having some issues, and they didn't replace both of them, so this thing kind of drives a little funky going down the road. So we're going to replace both the driver and passenger struts today. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 where we do the tune-up, we're going to stick a card right up here. You can click on that. You can go see part 1. And at the end of this video, I'm going to have a card up here for part 3, where we do the flow masters on this car, make it sound a little bit better. So we've already done a tune-up, dropped a K&N air filter in it. We're going to put some struts on it, and we're going to come back in part 3, and we're going to put a set of flow masters in the rear of this car. So stick with me, guys. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button right down there in the corner. If you've already clicked that, make sure you click the notification bell so you get notifications on all my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, as always, drop in the comments section. And please don't forget to rate this video when it's all over with. So stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. Challenger. So do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get the notification for part 3. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. And stick around, because for part 3, we're going to be installing these. So, do me a favor, rate the video. As you can see, we got the struts in. We had to put new sway bar end links on there because that one did not want to come loose. So that should pop in the front end. Now it's on the mufflers. So, check that one out too, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. We'll see you on the next one.